What is up guys, it's Teddy here, and today's video I'm going to share with you guys 3 tips to improve your freeze. But before I start, like always, make sure you hit the subscribe button and also turn on the notification icon so whenever I upload a new video, you will get notified. So the first one, tighten up your body, your core, your leg, your hand, alright? Everything should be tightened up. There are 2 reasons you want to do this. The first one, it will make your freeze looks much cleaner, and the second one, it will really help you when you do the transitions. Let me show you. So this is the freeze without tightening up my core or tighten up my body. It's just I'm doing a freeze and everything will look sloppy. Alright, so you can see very sloppy posture. Now if I tighten up all my body, you can see it's more cleaner. Alright, so you want to get that type of freezes compared to the sloppy one. So again, remember to tighten up all your body, including your foot. You don't want to leave your foot hanging there. So all body, including your foot. And you can see the huge difference. Now the second tip is breathing. Try to breathe with your mouth. Alright, I know this is kind of different from every person, but I'm talking about my experience here. Whenever I breathe with my mouth, I can still control the tightness of my body. Because if you try to breathe with your nose, you can feel that it's kind of affect the whole tightness. That's me. I don't know about you guys, but no, this is my experience. So what I like to do is breathing with my mouth. Now the third and final tips is remember to breathe with your mouth while you're doing the transitions. It's not like you keep breathing all the time. Make sure when you do the transitions, for example, baby freeze to headstand, on that moment between the transitions, breathe with your mouth. Alright, and still remember to keep the tightness of your body going on. Again, baby freeze. When we go to the headstand, breathe with the mouth and then pose. Now let's recap all things that I said. The first one is remember to tighten up all your body, including your foot. The second one is remember to breathe with your mouth, and the third one is breathing with your mouth while doing the transitions. Alright, with that being said, let's compile all of that together and let's see how it looks when I'm doing it with the freeze. Okay, I'm gonna start from, let's go with the basic one, the baby freeze, alright? Baby, I tighten up all my body right now. I try to breathe with my mouth. Now, if I go, let's say, to the headstand, alright, I'm gonna go to headstand. Alright, keep your body tight and breathe with your mouth. Same thing from headstand to handstand. That's it, that's how you did it. So it takes quite some time to really get used to breathing and tighten up your core. But when you really know how to do it, you can apply this not only for your freeze but also with the power move, alright? So that's about it. Thanks for watching. Again, subscribe if you haven't subscribed. Like this video, give a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys next time.